Imagine you met a genie. We've all heard of a genie from our childhood, and the stories of fairies and wizards, and the popular magical genie that pops out of the glass bottle and says, "You've got 3 wishes." And as a child, you would wish for mountains of chocolate or mountains of toys. You used your imagination straight away, wishing for what you wanted. But as we get older, we stop wishing and we start hoping that we might win the lottery. But isn't that just as fanciful? And there was once an old man, after years of poverty and hardship, walks into the church, falls onto his knees, looks at the altar and says, "God, I've done my best. I'm a good man. I've worked hard, but I have nothing to show for my life. If only I could win the lottery. Please, please help me, Lord." A week later, with no luck, the man went back to the church, back on his knees, and this time implored with the Lord, "Please, Lord, I'm begging you, just once help me to win the lottery. Help me from this wretched life of poverty that I have experienced. What wealth can a man give if he's got nothing to give?" But still nothing. However, he was a stubborn man and determined. So finally, he went once more back to the church. But this time, he fell on his knees and was crying, tears rolling down his eyes. And he said, "Please, please, I'm begging you, just once, let me win the lottery." And the reward, the humble, holy man who has done his best to serve you well. All I ask for is that you please, please help me win the lottery. At that exact moment, there's a roaring in the sky, and a beam of light shines down in the church, and a deep, godlike voice said, "Okay, I will do what you want, but do me a favour. Go and buy the lottery ticket first, please." So, if you fail to set yourself a target, the clearly defined goal, you will more than likely end up wandering at random. I'll leave you with those thoughts. Till our next video. Bye for now.